how to fix Facebook Lite application not working on your Android device. So hello guys, if you're also facing such issue where your Facebook Lite is simply not opening or simply closes itself, then in that case what you need to do is first thing just head over to your settings, and once inside your settings just scroll down and find apps, select it, and once inside it just locate the Facebook Lite application, or you can also simply search it for that particular application. And from over here just scroll down and click on storage option and simply clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. So once you do all of that, you may have to re-log in with your login credentials if it asks. So if it doesn't ask, you can easily simply load in the Facebook Lite application. And in your case, if it's still not working, then simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for Facebook Lite application just like this, and you should be updating the application if it's any updates is available here. So once you do that, your application should be working successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.